Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at XRP over here. Now, what we can do is we can take a look at just this structure over here, and then once I do that, we're going to take a look at this whole entire structure and see what's going on. Okay, so we can see here that this is a wedge pattern. There's no doubt about it. This is a wedge, just like that. Okay, and within this wedge, you also have another wedge right over here. Okay, now when we take a fib from this bottom to this high, you see how we perfectly came down to the 0.786 right over here, and this is on the linear scale. We can even go on the logarithmic scale and we perfectly hit the 702 with even more precision. Now once you break this 702, and especially breaking this 786 over here, it'll be bad news for XRP, because those are the last two supports. Now we did the same thing in 2020 over here. Okay, so this is a wedge, right? And then if you take a fib from the very bottom to the top, we hit the 702 and then we go off to $1.96. So just remember, if you lose these two levels, then it'll be something a little bit more extreme, and I'll show you what I mean. So what we can do now is go back all the way from the inception of XRP and do the wave count. Okay, not inception, but 2020. Okay, so the 2020 bottom. So this is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we have what's called a ending diagonal. Sorry, a leading diagonal. So this is your A wave right over here, your B wave, and then you have your C wave right there. Okay, then you have your 5 waves up within your C wave. Okay, and then your bull market is done here for XRP. Then what happens is we go into a descending broadening wedge. Okay, but we never have our 5th wave. That's the thing. That's what I noticed. So now remember, in wedges, the waves overlap. Okay, so that's a descending broadening wedge right there. And you can see here how there is 3 waves within each wave here. So this is your A, B, and your C. This is your A, B, C, and another A, B, C. Okay, so there's A, B, C within each wave, but as soon as you break this 702 over here, then this scenario will play out, most definitely. I'm very confident in that, in this scenario playing out, if we break this 702 right over here at 43 cent right here. And for extra confirmation of this scenario, we need to break 38 cent. 38 cent is a very strong support on XRP. You see how right? So it's very possible. Now if we were to break 38 cent, then what would our E wave target be? Well, we can take our trend base fib from the top of the correction down to C and up to the top of D over here. And your 100% sits at around 1370. Okay. And then if you take your regular fib from the very bottom of the bull market in 2020 to the top, make sure we're on logs fibs over here, and the 702 is at 24 cent, and the 786 is over here at 19 cent. We can't forget the 0.886. That would be a very deep correction. 0.886. And then we also have the 0.886, which is around your 100% fib. So you have 3 DCA zones if it were to go below the 786. Okay? So now you have a full chart, a full roadmap of XRP. Now what happens is if we do break the 786 and then we do end up going to 24 to 15 cent, then we can find some upside targets as well. Like if we take a fib from the very top to, let's say, I don't know, 15 cent, let's say it goes here, your 1.618 is at 950. You see that? So there is lots of confluence to us breaking out after this E wave, right? Because if we do end up going to 15 cent, our golden pocket is sitting right at 950. And then if we use the regular fibs on the linear scale, our 4.236 is at 760. Okay? So just an estimation, but remember, all eyes on these two levels over here. We cannot break these two levels on XRP if we want the bullish scenario to play out, which is not this one. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed the XRP video. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.